What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Bongo Cat on your PC for free. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now what we need to do is go to the Steam store, and there you will find the search bar right on top. Now search for the game Bongo Cat and select it. Once you have created a free account on Steam and downloaded the application of Steam, you are able to download and play this game completely free on your PC. Now just click on play game, and this game will be downloaded into your game library, and after that you are able to play Bongo Cat on your PC completely free. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!